Hi guys, so welcome to Pick Your Handwriting. Now in this video, I am going to show you three handwritings and whichever handwriting you resonate with, just pick that, remember the number and I'll share the detailed analysis with you. Just a disclaimer, this video is just to help you understand how handwriting can help you know yourself. It's not your personal writing. So whatever resonates with you, take that. Whatever does not, that means it's not you. There is a chance you might be attracted to two handwritings. That means your writing is a combination of those two handwritings. So that is also a possibility. So don't take it like 100% because this is not your handwriting. It's just a way to give you a view of how the handwriting can show your personality. So starting with the first handwriting. So for all the people who picked the first handwriting, let's start with that. So now starting with this handwriting, for everyone who chose this, so you are somebody who's putting in a lot of hard work to achieve whatever you're trying to achieve. Your vision is long term. You don't want a temporary success. You're looking for a very strong long term success. And whatever career that you have chosen, you are quite happy with it. But it's giving you stress because you're pushing it too hard. The next thing which I do see is there is some form of travel. You like to travel, you like to explore, go to new places. Maybe you're planning for some work which is outstation. So yeah, this is one thing which you can think of. Now there is another thing which I see very clearly in this handwriting. You are somebody who likes to do work one by one. You'll finish one task, take a break of half an hour, 1 hour, and then go to the next task. So this works well for you in some cases. At times you're being lazy because you spend 2 hours just chilling before you go for the next task. So be more mindful about the way you spend your leisure time. It's really necessary for you. There is one advice that I can give you looking at the writing which you have chosen right now is you need to slow down a little because you are missing out on a lot of details. You are doing a lot of work, but because you're missing out on your details, it's not giving the result that you're looking for. So this is about your handwriting and the handwriting which you have chosen again. And if you resonate with it, let me know what it is. And if you want me to do something similar with drawings also, let me know that too. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. The second handwriting, okay, sample number 2. For you guys, the first thing which I can tell you is that you are somebody who is very creative. So choose professions which are more connected to the creative field, which can be designing, architects, civil engineers, anything. The next thing which I see is you prefer to be by yourself. You prefer to be alone. You prefer to spend time with yourself more often than people around you, which makes it tougher for you to connect to people. Even though you are creative, you have a lot of ideas, there is one problem you do face is communicating your ideas to people. So if you want your ideas to come into reality, this is something that you should learn how to communicate with them. There's one more thing which I'm seeing with this writing. You are facing certain father related issues, either fights or what you want to do with your life. You are not able to tell that to your father. So there are some father related issues. So find the right kind of guide for you. That is necessary. So make sure to find the right kind of guide for you if you really want to reach the level of success that you're looking for. So this is about you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you resonate with this. And if you want me to do something similar with drawings, let me know that too. Bye. So coming to the third sample, for people who chose the third sample. Now for these people, you are currently quite excited about life, but not sure what to do. There's just excitement. So you are unsure about yourself, you're unsure about your life, and mainly your career, still trying to figure out what it is and what it is not. So you need guidance at the current moment. 2, you are a person who's direct on face. You like somebody, you don't like somebody. You cannot manipulate. Okay, you're quite direct on face. So it works well maybe sometimes with your personal people, but professionally it can become a problem because it is becoming difficult for you to convince. So I do see you facing struggle to get people, to get clients, to get work done. So you have to work on this. The way you communicate, you have to be a little more subtle. You can't be very direct because that can be a problem for you. The next thing which I'm seeing here is that you are committing a lot more than what you can actually do. So do not make this mistake because that can make you feel mentally burdened. You are physically not doing too much, but you're mentally feeling quite stressful. And because of that, your productivity has gone down. So this is very important for you to understand that you need to reduce your stress levels. Commit to things which you know you can 100% do, and the things which you cannot do, step back from it. There is some amount of back pain that you do suffer from, so you have to be careful about your back, your health in those terms. The main advice that I can give you if you have chosen this writing is that make sure to work on your communication skills. Otherwise, you can face a lot of issues in general with relationships, work and personal life. So this is about you guys. Let me know how much you resonate with this. And if you want me to do something similar with drawings, I would love to know that too. So I will see you guys in the next video with a total different concept about handwriting. Let me know how you find this. Again, a disclaimer, this is not your writing. So take what you resonate with, the rest might not be you. So don't get stuck. This is just to give you how handwriting can reflect your personality. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, be safe. Bye bye.